In parametric type of functions, third variable is involved to define two functions. Suppose we can take example of suppose x is sine t and y is cos t. So here x is dependent on variable t, y is dependent on variable t, and in this case we should find dy by dx. So since x is dependent on t, we can find the derivative of x with respect to t, isn't it? That means dx by dt we can find. And y is dependent on t, that means derivative of y with respect to t we can find, that is dy by dt. So now how to find dy by dx? So we can find dy by dx by using this formula, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now in this parametric type, other type questions also can come. What is that? Find derivative of one function with respect to other. Okay, for example, find derivative of sine x with respect to cos x. So here also this first function we will suppose as v and second function as u and second function as v. So what we should find, derivative of sine x with respect to cos x, means derivative of u with respect to v. That means du by dv we should find. So u is dependent on x, so we will find du by dx, and v is also dependent on x, so we will find dv by dx, and we will divide both of them to get du by dv. So this is application of parametric functions. Question 1, x is equal to 2at square, y is equal to at raised to 4. So x is a function of t and y is a function of t. So what we will do here, we will find, since x is 2at square, so differentiate with respect to t. Okay, that means dx by dt. Now 2a will be constant coefficient, so we can write that as it is. T square means power rule, so 2t will come. So dx by dt will be 4at, equation 1. Now y is what? At power 4. So this also we will differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to a is coefficient, t power 4 means 4t cube. That means we can write 4at cube. Now we should find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be what? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So from 1 and 2 we will substitute the value, 4at cube, 4at. Reason we can write from 1 and 2. So 4a will go and 1t will go. So answer is t square. So dy by dx is t square. Question number 2, x is a function of theta, y is also function of theta. Means we can differentiate both separately with respect to theta. So x equal to a cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta. Here parameter is theta. Parameter means that variable by which both x and y variables are linked here. So dx by d theta will be, coefficient is a, cos theta derivative is minus sine theta. So minus a sine theta, equation 1. Now find dy by d theta. So y is b cos theta, differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is minus b sine theta, equation 2. Now since we know dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So from 1 and 2 what we can write? Minus b sine theta divided by minus a sine theta. Sine theta will go, minus will go, answer is b by a. X equal to sine t, y equal to cos 2t, means x is a function of t, y is a function of t. So we can find dx by dt and dy by dt. So differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt will be cos t. Equation 1. Now y is cos 2t. So differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt. Cos 2t means minus sin 2t, and this is composite function, isn't it? Cos t is standard. So what we will do here, derivative of 2t means 2. So finally what we can write, minus 2 sin 2t. So dy by dx will be dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt means minus 2 sin 2t and cos t from 1 and 2. Cos t, dx by dt is cos t. Sin 2t formula we can apply here. That is 2 sin t cos t divided by cos t. Cos t cancel. So answer is minus 4 sin t. X equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 by t. So since x is equal to 4t, differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to 4. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So equation 1. Now since y is 4 by t, so differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to, see 4 is coefficient, derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Equation 2. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt is minus 4 by t square. Dx by dt is 4. From 1 and 2 we can write. 4 cancel. So answer is minus 1 by t square. Question number 5. X is a function of theta. So we will differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, and derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta. Then derivative of 2 theta is 2. So we can write this as 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Equation 1. Y is sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta will be cos theta and 2 cos 2 theta. Equation 2. So now dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, and dx by d theta is 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Question number 6 is x is given as a theta minus sin theta and y is a 1 plus cos theta. So x is a function of theta, y is function of theta. So what we will do, differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is a, coefficient will be same, the derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1, derivative of sine is cos. Okay, but what is the formula of 1 minus cos theta? That is 2 sine square theta by 2. So what we can write dx by d theta as 2a sine square theta by 2, equation 1. Now since y is given a into 1 plus cos theta, so differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is a coefficient, 1 derivative of 1 constant 0, and derivative of cos is minus sine. So here we will apply formula for my sine theta, that is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, equation 2. Now since we know dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, substitute the value. So minus 2a sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by 2a sine square theta by 2. So 2a cancel, one sine will go. So my cos by sine means cot. So here I will write answer is minus cot theta by 2. In question number 7, x is a function of t, y is a function of t. Okay, so we'll find dx by dt, dy by dt, and then fraction. So since x is sine cube t, so differentiate with respect to t. So two functions in quotient rule we can apply, isn't it? So dx differentiate with respect to t, dx by dt will be denominator same, derivative of the numerator. So directly I am writing 3 sine square t into derivative of sine t is cos t, minus numerator same, derivative of this denominator. So 1 by 2 root cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t is minus sine 2t, and then derivative of 2t is 2. Denominator is square, so this root and square will go. So cos 2t. So see, cross multiply we can do. This 2 will go and cross multiplication. So this root and root will go, cos 2t. 3 coefficient we can write outside. Sine square t cos t, minus minus plus sine cube t sine 2t, divide by, in numerator and denominator this root will come. So cos 2t is already there and this root will come. So this is dx by dt. Now to find dy by dt. So differentiate with respect to t. This is y. So dy by dt, again quotient rule. So numerator same, derivative of denominator same, derivative of numerator means 3 cos square t, derivative of cos t is minus sine, minus cos cube t is same, derivative of this means 1 by 2 root cos 2t, derivative of cos 2t is minus sine 2t, then 2 and cos 2t. So see, this 2 will go. So answer will be minus 3 root. This root also we can cross multiply here. So minus 3 cos square t sine t, root will go cos 2t, and here minus minus plus cos cube t sine 2t, divided by cos 2t and root cos 2t. Since we know dy by dt, we will write here, since dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt, isn't it? So numerator this we will write, denominator this one. So see, okay, so this both denominator will go and we will be left with numerator. So in numerator also, if you select, so this will go and this will, okay. So after cancelling the denominator from the both numerator and denominator, you will be left with this expression. Now sine 2t we can change into 2 sine t cos t. So minus 3 cos square t sin t cos 2t plus 2 sin t cos t cos raised to 4t, isn't it? Divide by 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t. Here 2 cos t and sin raised to 4t. Now we can take common. So we will take common here. Sin t is common, see, and cos square t. So cos square t and sin t from the numerator. So minus cos 2t plus here 2 cos cube t will remain. Divide by here also sin square t cos t we will take common. So 3 cos 2t and plus 2 sin cube t. See, cos square if we are taking, so cos t, cos square t, and here sin square t will remain. Now what we can do here, see, sin t will go, cos t will go. So cos t bracket 2 cos minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t. So this cos 2t also we can change in terms of cos, isn't it? What is the formula? 2 cos square t minus 1. Here sin t will remain, and here this sin cos 2t will change in terms of sin. So what is the formula? 1 minus 2 sin square t. So cos t minus 6 cos square t plus 3 plus 2 cos square t. Here sin t 3 minus 6 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. So cos t, see, 3 minus 4 cos square t, isn't it? Divide by sin t is there and 3 minus 4 sin square t. Now from cos and sin we will multiply inside, so we will get 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t, and here 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So these both are formula of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. But this is what? Minus 4 cos cube t. Minus we should take common. So minus cos 3t sin 3t, which is minus cot 3t. So this is dy by dx. Since x is a cos t plus log tan t by 2, differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt will be, a is coefficient will be same, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, log tan t by 2. So 1 by tan t by 2, then derivative of tan is sec square t by 2, then derivative of t by 2, that is half. So see, tan we can write sin by cos, which is, and this we can write 1 by cos square t by 2, half is there. So cos t1 will be cancelled. So 1 by 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. What we can write this as? 1 by sin t. So again we can simplify this further. So minus sin square t plus 1 by sin t. Okay. So this is dx by dt. Now since y is a sin t, so differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt will be a cos t. Now since we know dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we will substitute the values here. So dy by dt is a cos t, and this is, so a will go. Now see, 1 minus sin square t is what? This sin t will go in numerator. 1 minus sin square t is what? Cos square t. So sin t by cos t means tan t.